Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Proshares Ultrapro Qqq or TQQQ, and I have visited this ETF I think 1.5 month back, where I've talked about the buy zone, and probably we are heading towards the same level as we have discussed in my previous video. If you want, you can check on my channel with a similar name, TQQQ or Proshares Ultrapro Qqq. In this video we are going to look at the trend ahead, so let's analyze this chart. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So a stock which has, or an ETF, beg your pardon, that has given you a return of more than 25,000% in a matter of 12 years is something extraordinary, because we have never seen this. This is not a stock, and this is not a volatile stock either. So it has performed exceptionally, and this is a true definition of how money works, because this was the time when cheap money introduced in the market, and from the lows of 2008 and 9 you have seen a sharp rally that we have seen for the next 10 or 12 years till 2022, when central banks have started talking about rolling back all the money and market is unable to stand onto its feet, okay, which means market is fragile. And right now, if you are looking at the big trend, we have something like this. So the trend is still standing on its feet and the levels are the same. So there is nothing which we can change. We just have to wait for the price to settle down so that we can get a good discount, I would rather say, rather than jumping onto any price when any stock is falling. Right now what we are looking at, a level which is in between $16 and $25. So these two are going to be your best buy zone, and below 25, beg your pardon, below $16, we are not interested, because this is your stop loss. Okay, this is just for the sake of safety. It does not mean that it's going to die down after $16, but the thing is, if it breaks below $16, then the next support, okay, this is just for the sake of your information, the next support we have here is $8, which means below $16 there will be a 50% downside that will further open up. Okay, so don't go below $16. Probably it will not break, hopefully I would say, because it has already corrected like 70% from the top. So it is a very big correction that has already happened, and we are still saying that there is some more to go. And if that happens, so from the top to the lower end of the range, it will be 83% downside, which means a very big correction that we can see. Now from the lows, you can definitely use these two levels, 16 and 25, as your buying zone, and from there we can go for our long-term target, which is in between $140 and $300 in the upcoming years. Now if it comes down to $16 and then move higher, if it comes down to $25 and then move higher, and if it comes down to $8, probably if it breaks below $16, then the next will be $8, and then again bounce back to the highest end of the range, that time will tell. But there is some more to be looked at. Right now it is trading at $27, so $2 more on the downside is going to be a start of your discount zone, and till $16 you will get your discount. And if in case something extraordinary will happen or any uncertainty that is not yet known as far as the market is concerned, then it may go down to $8 on the downside. But this is a least possibility, we are not thinking about it. what we are thinking about is the range. If I may delete this one, you can go back and check. So this is what we are looking at. So on the downside you have $16, on the upside in the upcoming years you have a range in between 140 and 300. So this is the end of the video.